it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you a finished painting. But firstly, just to let you see how many diamonds I have left. I have not run short of any colours in this painting, which is always a good sign, but I have loads and loads of the colours left. I put them into baggies just because I needed the storage for my next one, but they'll go into my spare storage shortly. But I've got loads and loads of the colours left, and this is it. This is what I call just birds in a tree. I tend to make myself a little label that just tells me what it is and where it was from. This sticks on the beads, the diamonds, so this sticks on the diamonds so that I know what canvas they go with, and then I've just stuck it on here so of course I don't forget. But this was from Fansales, and so far I think I've been happy with absolutely everything I've got from there. The canvas size may say 30 by 40 across, and the actual picture is smaller. As long as you're aware of that, so far I've not had any issue quality with how the pictures turned out. I've not gone for anything major complicated because I know it won't look right, but everything so far that I've had has looked good. But the drill quality is amazing. I hardly ever have to throw any of the drills away due to any imperfections or anything, so in that sense I'm really happy. But yeah, I love the way this one's turned out. It's like a picture with a little twist with us having the face in it. Colours are really nice, and yeah, I just thought I'd let you see what it looks like when it's finished. As I say, these are always quick videos for me, but we've got diamonds left over. We had good quality diamonds, and the pictures turned out and is nice and clear. What more can you want? So yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.